just out here trying to survive
Go
our
out,
20s.
get drunk, be young and reckless. Show up for work, don't skip your breakfast. A functional member of society. Is that what you want from me? Call up my mom, see how she's doing. Tell her I'm good, who am I fooling? Got too many new responsibilities. Don't know what you want from me. 'Cause